Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can cancel your subscription to Tripo Ai. In order to do so, here we are at tripo3d.ai and we're all logged in. And if you head up to the top right hand corner where your profile icon is, if you look through the information here, you're not going to find anything related to your subscription. However, if you just go over here, right here where it says upgrade, here you can see we're on the free plan, but if we wanted to change to the other subscriptions, then we can select subscribe. So if we were to subscribe to any of these, then this button would light up and it would give us the option to go back to the basic plan if we want. So right now we don't see that option because we are on the basic plan, but if you were to subscribe, then you should see the basic plan. The button here should be lit up and that should allow you to go back to the basic plan and cancel your subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our promotional code to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open an account, and then you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.